Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export tasks from Gantt in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your tasks right here. Now make sure that on the top right, besides add task, you click on this drop down. Just make sure again that you're under the Gantt view, not list. Okay, Gantt right here. And once that's done, all you need to do is just click on three dots at the top right and click on export task and select the correct format. Okay, the task view, all open or all tasks right here. Then the project category is it active or both active and archive. Now go ahead, select the columns that you wanted to add on the export. Okay, and once that's done, just click on export right here, hit on yes, add in a password, click on OK, and just wait for the download button to pop up right here. Another option is by going to the right panel, and then here we have the three dots as well, and you can go ahead and export it as a PDF. Okay, click on export as PDF or print it if you want to as well. Export as a PDF and save it wherever you want, like so. And you can go ahead and open it if you want to as well. Okay, and here we have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.